The Shape Tool Flyout menu in CorelDRAW includes a variety of tools that allow you to manipulate the shape and structure of objects in your designs. The tools found in the Shape Tool Flyout include the Shape Tool, which is the primary tool for editing the nodes and paths of vector objects. It allows you to move, add, delete, and manipulate nodes to change the shape of a vector object. The Smooth tool is designed to refine and polish the curves and edges of vector objects, helping to eliminate unwanted roughness or jagged lines and reducing the number of nodes. Hold down the Shift key to adjust the size of the nib, and the Alt key to adjust the intensity of the effect. The Smudge and Smear Tools. Smudging and smearing let you shape an object by pulling extensions or making indents along its outline. Smudging results in extensions and indents that resemble streaks with very little width variance. With smearing, the extensions and indents have a more fluid and organic shape. The Twirl tool allows users to apply a swirling effect to vector objects, creating a twisted, spiral-like distortion. The Attract and Repel tool reshapes objects by attracting or pushing nodes away. Roughen tool lets you apply a jagged or spiked edge to objects, including lines, curves, and text. Control the size, angle, direction, and number of the indentations. Activate the graphics tablet stylus or apply settings to a mouse.